Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Shama Rafiq. You are watching Desi TV USA. Let's have a look on news. Rising consumption in China, India and United States could bring global coal-fired power demand this year. Rising consumption in China, India and the United States could bring global coal-fired power demand to a new all-time high this year. Undreaming effort to cut greenhouse gas emission, the International Energy Agency, the IEA said global power generation from coal was expected to reach 10,350 terawatt-hours this year, up to 9%, driven by rapid economic recovery that pushed up electricity demand much faster than low-carbon supply can keep up. Oil price head for weekly loss on Omicron coronavirus uncertainty. Oil price dipped Friday, putting the market on a track for narrow weekly loss. A surging case of the Omicron coronavirus variant raised fear new crabs made feed fuel demand, while a weaker dollar supported commodity markets broadly. Look at what's happening. The Omicron that's negative, which people are trying to digest, and South Commonwealth Bank commodities analytic weaker dhar, and are we going to be lined for some new restrictions? That's what the market trying to digest. All policy path in Turkey lead to inflation. President Tayyip Erdogan on Thursday announced a 50% hike in this monthly minimum wage to 4,250 lira. The Confederation of a Progressive Trade Union estimates that 10 million people around the third level of total labor force earn the basic amount. The increase is designed to help the voters and have been hit by the soaring prices, but it would also further push up production cost. Annual producer price inflation rate hit 55% in November. Companies will have no choice but to pass on some extra cost of customer feeding to inflation. Russia said on Friday it wanted a legal binding guarantee that the NATO military alliance would give up a military activity. The activity in Eastern Europe and Ukraine, part of a wish list of ambitious security guarantee, want to negotiate with the West. The demand from a package that Moscow says is an essential requirement for lowering tension in Europe and diffusing a crisis over Ukraine, which Western countries have accused Russia of seizing up the potential attack, something it had denied. They also contain elements such as effective Russia veto NATO membership for Ukraine that the West has already ruled out. The World Health Organization on Friday issued an emergency use listing up to Serum Institute of India's version of Novavax in cooperation COVID-19 vaccine, paving the way for the two companies to ship up the dose for the COVAX program. The EUL to the short COVAX marks significant milestone for Novavax as well, after the vaccine had been caught up with a delay, especially the ramping up production share to Novavax, where up to 6.4% on the news. Novavax's own vaccine is currently under assessment by the European Medicine Agency, and WHO said it will complete its own assessment to the shot once the EMA has issued a recommendation. Saudi Arabia has sent 2 planes full of humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. The aid will be delivered to Afghanistan in trucks via Pakistan. According to Saudi state media, 2 planes loaded with a relief supply left for Afghanistan on Thursday. The Saudi press agency report that King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center has sent up to 65 tons of relief supply, including a 1,647 food basket. And this is the first time the Rida government has sent aid since Taliban took control over the Kabul. It's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA and visit our website www.desitvusa.com. Fi amanillah.